welcome back to my channel. I'm Jelena and this is Ballet for All. And today we are going to count down 5 amazing secrets that are going to help you to improve your arabesque. These secrets are going to increase your balance, improve your flexibility, as well to change the way you approach arabesque in general. Now, my favorite secret, I'm going to leave it right for the end, which is going to help you to gain that flexibility and open your hips to get a higher arabesque. Now, make sure to hang around until the end. Okay, so say that, let's have a quick look to what we're going to learn today, and then we just get into the countdown. My first secret is hydration. And before you start laughing, you need to get hydrated before start to dance. This is something that changed the way I dance dramatically. Like, I always knew I never drink enough water, but it wasn't until my ballet teacher she pointed out that I was like, okay, let's give it a try, why not? And then I started to drink a lot of water before my ballet class, but also on the breaks. And guys, I gained almost 3 inches on my split. So how that works? Basically, by filling up your body with a lot of water, your muscle gets softer, and that allows them to stretch out even more than normal. So yeah, it's true. Just give it a try the way I did. Drink more water and let's see how it goes. Let me know in the comments below if it did help you. Secret number 2 is balance. Whilst a lot of teachers are going to ask you to lift your legs really high to maintain the body positioning, to level your hips, I will ask you to do so, but don't forget to control that balance. By having a good control and stability, you are creating an amazing foundation to slowly start lifting up your legs. Now, I would recommend you to pick that point on the wall, spotting quite high so your chin stays high and chest proud, and then you just up and down and controlling. My second tip is think on a pressure on the opposite shoulder to the leg that you're going to lift. So this shoulder is going to go back, you hold it there, and you can lift your leg. Those are the tips that actually help me to improve and focus on my balance, and you could try at home. Secret number 3, keeping good posture. You have your balance, great. Now it's time to think and focus on that upright positioning. So a lot of dancers fall into the trap that letting their legs to go really high by dropping their chest to the ground. And this is not a bow. However, bow doesn't allow your chest to go down either. So I don't know what you're thinking, guys. Let's think on that upright position at all time. Let's focus on creating that control, balance, stability, and good body positioning. And slowly, our legs will go higher and higher. Take your time. We almost start from the beginning. And that means that our legs are not going to get higher immediately. This is not natural for us. So slowly work with the motion that you have available now. And then slowly, we work on getting higher. Now, secret number 4 is hamstring strength. I'm going to give you my favorite exercise to create and build that strength that we need to lift our legs. This is an exercise that every dancer should be doing in order to improve their arabesque. And it's as simple as one hand on the bar, diagonal outside to the bar, lift your leg, arabesque position, upright position, and we are going to lift and down, lift and down. And we are going to be doing that, if we are beginners, 8 times, 3 times a week. Intermediate is going to do it 10 to 12 times, 4 times a week. And more advanced level, I'm going to do between 15 and 20, at least 4 to 5 times a week. My last secret and my favorite secret is an exercise that I love doing to warm up my hips and gain that flexibility before any dance class. But it's not only good to open your hips and gain that flexibility, but also to stretch your back. And what we're going to do is to hold the bar, giving back to the bar, 2 hands on the bar. We are going to do attitude. And from this position, we are going to do demi-plie and stretch, demi-plie and stretch. And this is basically a great exercise. I love doing it to stretch my back while opening my hips. Give it a try and let me know in the comments below if it did work for you. Okay, dancers, that's it for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I really hope that all of my secrets can help you to improve not only your Arabesque technique, but your ballet technique in general. So thank you very much and see you next time.